Bonjour à tous et à toutes et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo sur French with Nandita. Je m'appelle Nandita Jeshwal et j'ai un soin les français. So hello and welcome back to French with Nandita, and I am Nandita Jeshwal and I teach French from starting. So, we are going to start a series on DELF A1 preparation. So, we will start with the beginning. So, this is day 1. We are going to learn Salutations en français, greetings in French. So, let's start. Shall we start? First of all you have must known about the word salut. Salut means hello or hi. Next, bonjour, good morning or good day. Next, bonne nuit, good night. Bonsoir means good evening. Bon après-midi means noon, and afternoon. So, bon après-midi means good afternoon. Enchanté, welcome, bienvenue, welcome, you are welcome. Next, à bientôt means see you soon. À tout à l'heure, see you later. À demain, see you tomorrow. Okay. Bonne journée means have a good day. Merci, thank you. Désolé, sorry. ठीक है, let's start with the some questions that we are going to ask or we generally ask in place of salutation. So when we start any conversation, then we generally ask how are you. So in French we say comment ça va. Comment ça va. Comment ça va means how are you. Okay, so we will reply I am good. Je vais bien. Je vais bien means I am fine or I am well, I am good. Merci. Merci means thank you. Je vais bien, merci. Et toi? Et toi means and you. I am fine, thank you, and you. Then you will say I am also fine. Je vais bien aussi. Okay, so these are some questions and salutation for your DELF A1.